Don't try and pick winning sectors when you're thinking what to invest in. Don't even think you're diversifying when you put your money into different sectors because you think you're spraying and praying and hedging your bets. Look at the level of correlation between so many of the sectors which seem ostensibly unrelated. Okay, and the reason you don't want to bet on which sector is going to do well and which isn't, for a very simple reason, that you're not looking at the underlying companies and their numbers. And you might think, well, I don't need to. If I just bet on technology and it does well, then haven't I done well, Alpesh? Well, then you're gambling. Why don't you go to Ladbrokes? Why buy or invest in stocks when you can just go to the gambling shop? So imagine these are horses. Why would I try and bet which horse is going to do well? I'd rather look at the individual companies and see, are they undervalued, high growth, producing dividend yields, and look at those companies, whichever sector they're in. That seems far more sensible and data driven rather than gambling and narrative driven.